a really cool experiment for you that I wanted to try. I haven't done this yet myself, so doing it with you for the first time, okay? It's called walking water. And if you listen to the sound of the words walk and water, the very first letter you hear is the W sound for W. And since W is our word this week, our letter this week, I thought it might be fun to kind of tie it in together. Okay, so what I have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jars. 3 of them. This one. Okay, you see this? It's filled with water. Can you see the water moving around in there? Okay, this one is filled with water. Okay, just want to show you. And this one is filled with water. Okay, these 2 here are empty. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to try to make the water walk from these jars here into these without tipping them in and pouring it in. So what we're going to do first is I want to show, it's easier to show with some food coloring, and you'll get to see how pretty it'll make it. Okay, so first thing I have is yellow. I'm going to put that right in the middle. Okay, and let's mix that around a little bit. Okay, see that's yellow? All right, and on this one here, I'm going to use some red, blue, blue. Just put that off so it's not mixing yet. Okay. Ooh, look at that blue. Okay, see the blue? Okay, and on this one here, I'm going to make red. Okay, so we have red, we have yellow, and we have blue. And maybe you could see the blue better if I put like a, let me see that it's blue there with that behind it. The light's not shining in it too great. There you go. See how it's blue? Just needed a little more light in there. All right, so now what I have is I have paper towel. This piece of paper towel, and I just folded it. Okay, see how it was this piece, and now I just folded it so it's a little bit more narrow, okay? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put one end of it here, and one end is going to go in the blue, okay? And I have one end here that's going to go in this jar also, and the other end is going to go into the yellow, okay? I have another piece that's going to go in this empty jar, and also go in the yellow. And then the last one is going to go this one here and in the red, okay? So right now, not very exciting, right? It's just a bunch of paper towels and colored water. But watch what's going to happen. You notice, now remember that these 2 in the middle are empty. There's no water in there, right? These all have water in them. They're all different colors. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how the water is going to travel, and it's going to take a little bit of time. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take some pictures throughout the course of this day here with this, and we'll take different pictures and we'll watch what happens and how it changes, okay? So that would be just kind of cool to do. Let's see what happens with it, and we'll be back soon with more pictures, okay? Okay, so far it's only been about half an hour, and you can see a little bit it's starting to creep up on the paper towels. See how the paper towels are starting to change color already, and it's starting to curve over. Pretty soon those empty jars are going to be filling up with water, so I'm going to keep taking little videos, and we'll check on it throughout the day. Okay, boys and girls, time to check in on our walking water. I see some progress. If you look, okay, the red, the yellow, and the blue have gone down. The water's gone down a little bit, and look what happened. We see some in the bottom of this jar that was empty. Remember, it was empty before, and this one was empty before. And look what happened. This one is turning green, and this one is turning orange. What happens When red and yellow get together, they become orange. And when blue and yellow get together, it becomes green. So it looks like it's starting to work. We're gonna keep looking at it. It may take another couple hours, but for you it'll go really quickly because I'm gonna put all these videos together. But right now it's happening. I'm so excited because it looks like it's starting to work. All right, look, you can see on the paper towels. The paper towels have changed color, right? Kind of cool, right? All right, well, we're gonna look at it again in a little while and we'll see how much further it's come along. Okay, here's another picture of our walking water experiment. Look at the water. It's getting a little bit higher in the previously empty jars. All right, and look how much green this has gotten. Nice and green, nice and orange. It's working. Pretty cool, right? We'll take another look in a little while. Okay, boys and girls, it looks like we're done with our walking water experiment. Look at how much the glasses have filled up. Isn't that kind of cool? They're all almost about the same level now, and they made some beautiful colors. So let's just review what happened. These were empty, right? These two here were empty, and these three, 1, 2, 3, were full. This had blue, this had yellow, and this had red, right? And what happened was when the yellow and the blue got together, they filled up this jar and made what color? Green, right? And on this side, when the red and the yellow got together, they filled up this jar and made orange. And it's almost like the water walked up the paper towels and walked down into the new empty jars. I thought you might enjoy that. It took a little longer than I thought it would, so it's a little bit later showing up on my website than I originally thought, but I thought it was worth it because it is kind of cool. And look how pretty the colors are. So I hope you enjoyed it. And maybe you can even try this at home. It's a pretty easy experiment to do. It takes a little patience to watch it happen, but it really is kind of cool waiting for it to happen. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.